y'all, so today I'm about to get ready to clean out the refrigerator. It really needed it, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Right now I want to get it clean before I go grocery shopping tomorrow. Alright, so this is the state of the fridge. Y'all can't really tell, but it is nasty, especially back here. Once I take it out, I'll show you guys that. But I got food splatter everywhere. I need to throw some things away. So that is the plans for right now. I want to get this done before I go get the kids from off the school bus. That way that'll be all done and I don't have to worry about it. Alright, so now that I got all the food taken out the fridge, I'm just showing you guys what the fridge looks like and all the dirt. And it really needed to be clean. Haven't done it, gave it a good deep clean since Hurricane Helene. Y'all don't come for me. But I did like wipe it down, but for it's a deep clean, I haven't done that in a while. And as you can see, I think that's jelly and stuff waste inside. And I forgot to show you guys the little long drawer that's in the refrigerator. I forgot to show you guys the inside of that, but it had a lot of brown stuff where I guess fruits and stuff had been leaking. So I'm gonna get everything cleaned out, take the shelves out, and wipe it down. So these little drawers here, I don't know how to get out, so I'm just gonna leave them in there because I don't want to tilt the refrigerator because it's already tore up enough. It already got enough cracks in it, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. Go ahead, wipe the fridge out, and that way I can go in the closet so it can get back cool before I put the food back in there. So I'm going to be using this all-purpose Pine-Sol. So before I give it a good wipe down, I'm just going to spray the Lysol in there and let it sit a little bit. Then I'm going to get everything cleaned and wiped out. So I know I have a lot of new subscribers, and I like to say welcome. And I just want to thank Yesenia for shouting me out on her page. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know who she is, but I'll leave her social media here on the screen as well as the description box. But I just want to say welcome. My name is Candace. I'm a wife. My husband's name is Jeff. We've been coming up June 8th will be 12 years, but we've been together for 22 years. I have 3 boys. My oldest is Matres, he's 20. My middle is Devon, he's 15. And my youngest is Ethan, and he's 10. And on my channel, I do cleaning motivations, haul, decorating, organization, some meal prep. I even add a little bit of exercises in there. So if that's something you're interested in and you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. And again, I just want to welcome you to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy. So we're going to go ahead and get back to the cleaning.
Let's pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's a story. Let's pretend that it was glorious. Cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, yeah, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world. In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? Let's pretend that it's a dream life. Let's pretend that it's a dream house. Let's pretend that it's all good vibes for once. Let's pretend that it's a safe place. Let's pretend that it's a safe haven where the outside would just keep.
Now that the fridge is all cleaned out and looking a whole lot better, I'm going to go ahead and get the drawers cleaned out as well. I'm going to use my Dawn power wash stuff, spray it and wipe it down. Then once I'm finished with that, I'm going to dry the drawers out and get everything put back in. And before you put your drawers and stuff back in, make sure your fridge is dry and stuff like that. That way you won't get no mildew in there.
super important. We all need a place where we can just check in, kick back, unwind, surrounded by widows that feel like mine. These are the people sharing you up. Tears for tears when things go wrong. Oh, a friendly show, yeah, they got your back. With a love like that, there's nothing you lack. It's more than just being there, it's a vibe. Heart to heart moments we live. Always by your side. I'll be always by your side. Through shifting skies and endless miles, I walk with you through every trial. Always by your side. Hey, listen up, I gotta say, what's more important than finding a way? Oh, check in, kick back, unwind together. We'll be those who make it all better. These are the people sharing you on. This is for tears when road is rough. Every trial, every time you face, know that love will lift you to a higher place. We dream, we laugh, we ride the highs. Sunflowers blooming under open skies. It's more than just being there, it's a vibe. Heart to heart moments feel always by your side. I'll be always by your side. Through shifting skies and endless miles, I walk with you through every trial.
Now that I got the drawers cleaned and put back inside the fridge, I'm going to go ahead and start putting the food back inside. And what you don't see on camera is I was just looking through to see if anything expired or looked it old. So, and before I put some of the stuff back in, I went on ahead and wiped some of it down, what I thought needed to be wiped down.
can see myself with someone else. I got used to having you around. Still, I just can't make it make sense. 'Cause I'll admit I have my doubts. Darling, how do we become strangers? There are answers I can't find. Was there something in your touch that slowly started changing? We were lost before we realized, too afraid to cross the line. You and I, we were slowly breaking. But there are reasons we'll never find out, like how we burned out with no good.
Alright guys, so this is how the fridge turned out. And as y'all can see, I need to do a little bit of grocery shopping. So it's a lot more organized than what it was. A lot cleaner. And I need to try to replace some of these, like this door here. It has a crack here, so I had to end up put some tape there. As well as this, it cracked, so I had to put some tape on it. So I'm gonna have to go on the website to see if I can find some more. But yeah, the refrigerator is clean. Now I can go to the grocery store tomorrow. Alright you guys, so it's another day and I'm gonna start off with my workout. I told you guys I was gonna show you me working out on this trampoline rebounder. I think that's what it's called. I got it from Walmart, and for the first time using it, I like it. Y'all, it was a workout, so that's a good thing. And I burnt a lot of calories from what my watch said. But if you're in for giving this a try, I got it from Walmart. It was $49 and some change, and I had like a $10 coupon, not a coupon, but a gift card. So I got mine for $39 and some change.
Right there. Now this is the hamstring, now the calf. Back. Right there. Hamstring, now calf. Maintain that balance. You can do it. Or slowly turning. Yes. Just pressing and slowly turning. Nice. Come on. 7, 6, 5. Really, baby. Come on. 7, 6. Oh, you're socking it to me. 5, 4. My feet up. Engage my core. And pumping my arms. Let's call this our gentle jog. Nice. Let's go. Give me 8, 7. What are we jogging to? 3. That's it. 4. But I'm keeping it low. Twist the body. Nice. Right there. Woo-hoo! I got my twist on. Let's go. 8. Yes. And right there. Nice. Now I'm going to press the heel just front. Right there. Now this challenges some of us with our balance. Yes. And don't forget to click that notification bell to be reminded of.
Good afternoon, you guys. So I'm just coming from Walmart. I've been running errands all day, so I'm going to show you guys a little grocery haul. Alright, so first thing I got these chicken and cheese tortillas for my kids. I got some butter. I got some Zetarans blackened chicken Alfredo. This is so good. My kids love this. I got me some more this Stokes cold coffee. I got some of these Wonder Fetty cakes, and y'all, if y'all hear something, that's the dryer. I got some batteries. I needed some gloves. I got a 5-pound of ground beef that I'm gonna separate. Some ocean spray, canned mango juice. I got some of these Hawaii punches. They were $1 a piece, so that's a pretty good price for this size. I got me a box of Polonies. Some milk. This is the kind of milk that I like to get. I don't know what it is about my kids and milk in their stomachs. Some pineapples. Some goldfish. So excited when I saw these. I love cherries, especially these kinds, because they taste like y'all remember those plums that used to grow out on a cheese on the trees back in the day. This tastes just like it. Some apples. I got some of these pack of lasagnas. I got 2, the big one and the small one from my youngest son, one from my oldest son. I got some Hot Pockets. I got the chicken bacon ranch and the pepperoni pizza. I got some of these butterball turkey sausages, and these, my husband loved these. I got some cereal, some Tricks, some Chex, a local hot dog buns, a box of chips, some Lay's chips, some Honey Nut Cheerios, Frosted Flakes, pineapple. I got me some more Premier Proteins, and I got some of these teriyaki beef noodles that my kids love, and that's pretty much it for the hauls. For the haul, I got to go to the grocery store again to get the rest of my stuff, but this is what all I got today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this put up.